Say what?
All right. She is perhaps the cutest, sweetest, but seriously rock and roll girl I have ever seen. Take a look at this sensation from Italy. So she's singing in Italian, and of course there are, subtitles so you can see what she's singing. Check this girl out. She is all but, well, yeah, check it out. Here she goes. Slice of cake! Look at her!
She's nailing it. She's like on beat. This is incredible. Oh, and then all of a sudden.
Got a cough. Uh-oh.
Hey, that happens to the best of them. That happens to the best of them. I love it.
Isn't that amazing?
She's got an outlet there. There's probably like 0 temper tantrums in that house because she's well ventilated, if you know what I mean.
That song is like, I don't even know what she was singing, but she is Elisabetta.
That
Watch
cute
for
little
her.
face just gets all puckered up. Yeah. Check this out. You'll find this website, Sport Balls Replaced with Cats.
Oh.
Tumblr.com. Let's get right to it, Cody. We'll just shoot through it. It's sport balls
Oh, this is so wrong. It's right.
replaced with cats. There's really nothing more to say about it, except for that it's sport balls replaced with cats.
I kind of love this.
And I'm happy to announce that no cats were harmed in this project. There you have it. Oh, all right. Cats just want to have fun too. Cats actually are surprisingly competitive. People don't know that. Especially your garden variety house cat. They're always looking to get in the mix. There you have it. Sport balls replaced with cats.tumblr.com.
All right, I hate to do this. I'm going to go from cats to dogs. It's raining a little bit this morning. You know, it's not raining cats and dogs, but it's just a bit petite. How much does this man love his aging, is it dachshund?
Oh, dachshund.
Dachshund.
Yes,
Dachshund.
dachshund. Yes, dachshund.
There he is.
Okay.
He is getting up there. This is
That
Georgie.
does not look like a dachshund.
Well, he's kind of, he must be a hybrid of some sort. Like,
Mama's been around the block.
Part-
Wink, wink. Yeah, sure. Yeah, sweetheart, you're a purebred. Why? What are all the other puppies telling you?
And Mama's part golden retriever.
Yeah,
you know
Mama's
what
been
I'm
on the other
saying?
side of the tracks for
Sure.
a couple nights. Yeah.
Anyway, he's aging and his owner loves him so much so. To assist in his living as he ages, he's created a ramp system. That's right, a little ramp that goes up to the bed, a little ramp that goes up to the window to get out, and a little ramp out, as well as a little ramp onto couches. His house is filled with ramps, so his little, I think the dachshund legs must be what, like 5, 6 inches high?
They're wee little guys.
Yeah, so if you're getting old, you don't have that little extra get up and go, you kind of like gotta sit there and stay, you know?
Yeah. What was that thing? He got up and told him to get up and go, and he got up and went, and he... Isn't that a country music song?
Gotta get up and go,
I have no idea.
and he got up and stayed. I don't know.
That's how it goes. That was actually exactly it.
That was
Grand
terrible.
old Opry, here we come.
Sorry.
Finally, why are you apologizing? That was like a birthday gift to me.
Oh.
Thank you. Finally, Russian artist Svetlana Kolosova. She's absolutely unbelievable.
Whoa.
Check this out. She has this passion for painting, and she does it on the palm of her hand, kind of a quirky canvas for these fairy tale-like pieces of art. These intricate, colorful scenes featuring whimsical characters from her imagination. But here's the deal: they only last for a day before she has to clean them off. So you can imagine the painstaking effort that goes into this. Look at the detail. She's incredibly talented. But yeah, she says, I don't call it body art. I only draw on palms, and in order to create a living picture, I must paint it where the heart beats.
Oh,
Isn't
well,
that cool?
that is very. I would like to see her on canvas, but I mean, when she says talk to the hand,
Yeah.
it's like, okay, sure.
Meantime, still living in her parents' basement, her dad's like, you know, Svetlana, if you wouldn't paint them on your hand, if you actually paint them on canvas, maybe you could make a bit of money and get the heck out of here. What do you think?
Does she really live in her parents' basement?
No.
Okay.
It's time for the BT trivia question.